When it comes to vegan healthy snacks, let's talk about hummus. Not only is it the perfect dip for your veggies and crackers, but it's delicious in sandwiches, wraps, and a variety of other recipes. Discover how to make authentic Arabic hummus in just a few minutes. This simple recipe uses only 5 ingredients and delivers incredible flavor. It's fast, easy, super creamy, and delicious. If you like my recipe, don't forget to subscribe. I'd also be extremely happy if you could share your opinion in the comments and give this video a like. All the ingredients you'll find below this video.